Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share a very tasty and crunchy age-old traditional cookies with a little modification to make it more healthy for all the ages. Today in our recipe I used organic raw sugar which is not at all processed and whole wheat flour in the place of all-purpose flour. These cookies are very delicious and crunchy with a taste of coconut in every bite. And the shelf life of these cookies is almost 3 to 4 weeks if at all they are remaining. So now let's get into the video and see how to make this Iyengar bakery style coconut cookies. To start with our recipe, here I have taken organic cold pressed coconut oil, and as it is solidified I am melting it and measuring it to half cup. Adding coconut oil is mandatory to get a perfect bakery style coconut cookie taste, and here I am transferring this to a mixing bowl. And now I have taken 5 cardamom and transferred to a mixie jar. I also taken half a cup of organic raw sugar which is also unprocessed and make into a fine powder. Now I am transferring this sugar powder to coconut oil and give it a good mix until the sugar melts and combines with the coconut oil. Once the sugar completely combines with the oil, here I am adding 1 cup of tightly packed grated coconut to this and give it a good mix until everything combines well. Now here I measured 1 cup of whole wheat flour and I am transferring this by sieving through the sieve. Here I added 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I am sieving the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients like this. After sieving the dry ingredients is completed, now mix with hands to form the cookie dough without adding any water. The dough formed will be very hard and crumbled kind of like this. Here you can see, and the consistency of the dough will be like this. Once the dough is formed, keep it aside and take the baking tray lined with the parchment paper and grease it with oil. Now take the dough and roll it into round ball like and press in between the hands to give it a cookie shape. Here, as our dough is very crumble kind of, we need to hold the dough very tightly and make into a ball and press like this to give the cookie shape. Continue this process until the dough is completely formed into cookies. And now here I have taken a few cookies to bake them on the stove top and a few cookies to bake in the oven. To bake the cookies on the stove top, heat the vessel with the salt for about 10 minutes and transfer the baking tray and close with lid and bake on medium heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. And don't forget to check in between as the baking time may differ. Now for the oven, here I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 380 Fahrenheit, and now I transfer the tray and bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, our cookies in the oven are completely baked. So now I am transferring them to the cooling rack. Here I am checking our cookies after 25 minutes on the stove top. Still they need little more time to bake. You can see our cookies from the oven are well baked and they are very crunchy on both sides. Now I transfer them to the cooling rack. After 35 minutes, here our cookies on the stove top are also baked well. So now I am transferring them to the cooling rack. Now allow all the cookies to completely cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here you can see both the cookies from the oven and cookies on the stove top are also well baked and they are very crunchy on both sides. We can store them in an airtight container like this, and the shelf life of these cookies will be 3 to 4 weeks. So friends, try making this healthy and delicious coconut cookies and do comment how you like them. If you like my recipe and if you are watching my channel for the first time, Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.